You might be noticing that notifications get to you late on your iPhone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix delayed notifications on iPhone. Without further ado, let's get started. Now let's head on straight and open up our settings app. And from here, let's scroll down a bit and tap on battery right here. And make sure that low power mode is turned off because low power mode temporarily reduces background activity like mail fetch, so that would include notifications and might cause it to be delayed on getting to you. Now, if that is not the case, you can go to general right here and then click on background app refresh right below iPhone storage. Now make sure that when you tap on background app refresh, it is set to Wi-Fi and cellular data so that even though you're using mobile data, it is still refreshing your apps in the background and also optimizing it for you to receive notifications in real time even though you're using cellular data. Now you can also scroll through this list and make sure that the app that has delayed notifications is turned right here. So for example, if you have been getting a delay in notifications from Messenger, so you can toggle that on so that it will be refreshed from time to time so that you will be receiving certain notifications. Now another step that you can do is to go to notifications right here. You can scroll down and find that app that you are receiving delayed notifications from. So for example, it's on Messenger and you are not receiving notifications from this app. You can customize the settings from here and make sure that you have allowed notifications as well as turned on some alerts. And you can also go to the Messenger notification settings within the app and customize them. And the last thing is to check if you have not turned on your do not disturb mode on. So like that, if that is turned on, just tap on the moon icon so that is turned off and you will be receiving notifications in real time. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today and have a great day.